Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rotors on a Nissan Altima. First, prioritize safety by gathering your tools, including a jack, 2 jack stands, and a lug wrench. Park your vehicle on a level surface and engage the parking brake. Loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you are working on, but do not remove them. Then, safely lift the car and secure it with the jack stands, ensuring stability before proceeding with any further steps. Now let's remove the old components. Fully remove the lug nuts and take off the wheel. Next, locate and unbolt the 2 caliper guide pins, then carefully slide the caliper off the rotor. It's crucial to hang the caliper securely, perhaps with a bungee cord, to avoid stressing the brake hose. After that, remove the 2 large bolts holding the caliper bracket and then remove the bracket itself. Finally, pull the old rotor straight off the wheel hub. With the old parts removed, it's time for installation. First, clean the wheel hub thoroughly with a wire brush to ensure the new rotor sits perfectly flush. Place the new rotor onto the hub. Reinstall the caliper bracket, tightening its 2 bolts. Next, you'll need to compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp or a dedicated brake tool. Finally, slide the caliper back over the new rotor and tighten its 2 guide pins securely. For the final steps, reinstall the wheel and hand-tighten all the lug nuts. Once the vehicle is safely lowered to the ground, fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm, restoring proper brake pressure. Then, take your Nissan Altima for a careful test drive at low speeds to confirm everything is working correctly and safely.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.